Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. We can track on the calories burned on this watch in few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. Basically, if you wake up the screen on your watch, usually your watch face will display the calories burned. For example, this one does. If yours isn't, you can always open the toolbox menu, find the watch face option and tap on it. Oh, my bad. Watch face option. And tap on it to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the one that displays the calories, and then tap on it to select it and apply it. Another way to check the calories is to open the activity widget, and you can do it by swiping up on the home screen, scroll down and find the daily activity, and here we have the calories. You can also tap on this to see the graph for the whole week, and you can then press the crown button to scroll through different days if you want to. Okay, and another way to check this and the calories is to do it through the phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So we can bring our phone, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the COROS application. First, let me zoom out the camera. Maybe a bit more, like this. We can open the COROS application, and in the app, you will see the progress page, and here we have the calories, and you can tap on it to see the daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly progression. So you have more information. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.